you got him.
Right.
We visit them every week. I'm here for your safety, Grant. I'm here for your safety.
You hide behind the fence.
Yeah. Safety first. Thank you. Woo! Thank you.
Grant Coleman, Teachers Canada, who's been instrumental in making sure we keep our spirit out here on the line. Thank you.
Got a teacher here since 1946.
Wow.
Wow.
Woo!
Wow.
That's still going strong.
Yeah.
They got all three generations.
Nice.
I'm really thankful everybody's out here because
The young fellow doing the filming
we need to show our strength, and together we will show our strength. And you know something, Ikea, we're going to turn the heat up on you.
Yeah.
I think Derek has a song to kind of get us in the mood here.
All right.
So you guys all memorized the song, right? Yeah. Okay, well this I like to go back to like the 60s and 70s for those protest songs, because I'm kind of like from that era. And you guys all remember that song, Sign, Sign, Everywhere Sign? Yep. Well, I got to change the words a little bit, but everybody can do the chorus. I'm going to teach you the chorus. It's sign, sign, everywhere sign. Ikea is closed on Tuesdays. Isn't that a crime? Do this, don't do that. Can't you read the sign? So I can do one verse, which I don't know if anybody read their song sheet, they would know the first verse. So then when we get to the sign, sign thing, we're going to do it 3 times, okay? So it's sign, sign, everywhere sign. Ikea is closed on Tuesday. Isn't that a crime? Do this, don't do that. Can't you read the sign? Everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Get me like a laughing one here. Sign says, please don't cross our picket line. Ikea put up some fences, and I'm here to tell you why. They put up a fence to keep us out and keep all the lies inside. I don't know how long the lockout will last I'm alive. I'm doing fine. Sing it. Sign, sign.
Everybody sign.
I see this local police station. Isn't that fine? See this, don't do that. Can't you read the sign? Yeah. Sign, sign. Everywhere sign. These local police stations. See this, don't do that. Sign. One more time. Sign, sign. Everywhere sign. These local police stations. Isn't that fine? See this, don't do that. Can't you read the sign? Oh, very good. Okay, I've got one more. It's another song from the same era. Another Buffalo Springfield song. I know there's some of these fans out there. So I'll teach you the chorus. So, okay. I'm trying to think right Oh yeah. Okay. I know we got the churches. Okay, look, the chorus is, it's time we stop the greed. What's that sound? Teamsters, look what's going down. You guys remember that first kind of?
Yeah.
It's time we stop the greed. What's that sound? Teamsters, look what's going down. It makes more sense when I sing it, okay? Okay, ready? Here's my no song. There's something happening here. What it is,
nothing here.
There's a guard with a camera
over there. Here, I got to beware.
It's time we stop.
Read what that sound is going down.
Okay, I got another verse. What a field in the heat. 1,000 teachers in the street. Singing songs and carrying signs. All saying hurry for our side. Another chorus. Time we stop, read, what's that sound? Teachers, look what's going down. Stop, read, what's that sound? Teachers, look what's going down. Stop,
Read, what's that sound? Teachers, look what's going down.
Woo, good job. One more. Okay.
So Steven said, from the Steven from the Vancouver District Labor Council is just going to thank you for it to us. And again, thank you for putting this together.
Not quite a soapbox, but it'll do, I guess.
It's an Ikea table. What are you talking about?
Okay, so just want to say I'm really happy to see so many people out here today, and it's really a crime that this lockout's gone out as long as it has. You know how many days is it now, Anita?
It's almost 5 months.
Almost 5 months. People have been out here, and I've been here a few times throughout the dispute, starting at the start of the lockout, and now I'm here again. And what I've been really impressed with on this picket line, the whole dispute from the start to the finish, is sort of the spirit of the picketers, and it's really, I think it says a lot about the people who work here, and I think it sends a message to Ikea. Every time I've been here, people are really positive, really strong, and they're sticking together. And if that keeps up, you're going to win for sure. I think this dispute's really important. It's not just about Ikea or the people who work here or getting fairness here. Other employers watch these things too. And look what's happening in North Vancouver at the North Shore Winter Club. Another lockout, people on the picket line for just as long as here, and people are watching this. Other employers are watching these kinds of disputes to see what's going to happen, see if the labor movement's going to stick together, and if they're going to stand strong, if they're going to be able to fight back and win. And lockouts are becoming more and more prevalent, so we need to really we need to take this seriously, not just union by union, but as a movement to stand together. So, Labor Council's here with you. We have a committee, Solidarity and Action Committee. We welcome everybody that's here today to come out to our meetings and basically find out about the labor disputes going around in the Vancouver area that various unions are facing, and about what we can do to support them and to ensure that people get fair, reasonable contracts. So we welcome everybody out to come out to our meetings, come out to the Labor Council, and keep on the fight. You're going to win, and we're going to be with you. Thanks.
I'm really touched. I think we're here and we got to get this done. You know, we're going to go in and we're here 24/7. The weather's getting worse, but we are going to still maintain and hold our position and make sure we keep strong and we bring this to a close. We will bring this to a close. I have absolute faith that that will happen.
Yeah.
We're not coming to the table, not unless we take what they were offering, and we're not taking it. Okay, thank you.
We don't deserve to have you out here. This is your store. You guys should be in there.
I don't need to tell you that. They need to know that, they should know that, and they should respect you for that. And that's not what they seem to think. So, we're here. We're staying strong.
All right.
Absolutely.
Woo!
Bob Ashton, Longshoreman, Canada.
I don't know if this thing's gonna hold me. Can everybody hear me okay?
Yeah.
Can you? This isn't just a struggle for the Teamsters. Like previous speakers have said, this is a struggle for the labor movement in general. They can get away with knocking you guys out. We're all in trouble.
Yeah.
ILW Canada pledges its support to your union. You've got 100% of our support. Had it since the start. We'll have it till the end. And we'll finish this together. There was a sister a couple minutes ago I was talking to here. I told her we're not a big union, but we're the coast. She looked at me and she says, well then you're our battleship. Well, sisters and brothers, I'm here to tell you today, together we can sink Ikea's battleship. Your fight's our fight, let's finish this together.
Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Careful. Another group that's been impacted lately.
I just want to stand here in solidarity on behalf of the 41,000 members of the Federation. In strong support and solidarity with the teachers, the workers here at Ikea. We've asked our members, we've urged our members definitely not to be coming here, but we've asked them not to shop at the Ikea in Coquitlam. We also ask them not to shop online at IKEA. Their struggle is our struggle. An injury to one is an injury to all. And together, we're going to win this battle against IKEA. And we have to show them our strength together, because what it is all of us together to win this one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here picketing for our cause. Go home, go back to your friends and family. Do not shop IKEA. Absolutely perfectly said. Do not shop IKEA. We have to hit them in their pocketbook. This is $1 billion a year company in profits. And they want to take away. That's all they want to do. They want to continue to take away. We can't do that. Can't do that.
Read.
Do not shop IKEA.
Anita, remember they
John Bale, Club W National Director.
So I give you support and solidarity, Canadian Union of Postal Workers.
Yeah.
In 2011, we were locked up, and they forced concessions on our union over
unions would go on strike for improvements in the collective agreements. But now, the green has gone so far that employers are locking out unions to get concessions from the workers. Yet they're making profits greater than ever. They've gone past the one. They got all these jerks employed, working, so they can keep you out and lose every bit of the store. So they cost them a lot of money every day you're on the picket line. You're under pressure, and it's costing them so much. You're just pushing it. We'll be behind you all the way. We'll keep coming to your picket lines, and we're more likely to come on Saturday and Sunday than Friday. It was a little hard to get out today for us, but a lot of us are working long hours because of what they forced on us. So hang in there. The struggle continues. Never back down. This wasn't created in a day, and we're not going to lose it in a day either.
Thank you.
Just because Mark Braun's not here, he had a message for me to pass on. What is it? We are the many! You gotta remember that we are the many. So Ikea's gotta hear that we are the many. We're out here. There's only 30 people in there, but we are the many. So Mark told me to pass it on. He could be here. One more song. Everybody knows the chorus. It's Solidarity Forever. So I got started off here. So when Chuck goes by here. We have Ikea's contract offer is a slap across the face. They send us nasty letters and won't negotiate. We will fight them in the kitchen. So we sing our victory song for the union
Makes us strong. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. 'Cause the union makes us strong.
Please feel free to hang over and talk to us, ask us questions, and we can tell you all about what's been going on in the last 5 months.
We'll be fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey there, John. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, good. Hanging in there.
You're out here helping out.
I've been living here for 3 months.
I'm just gonna go over and look at my car now.
Okay, yeah, for sure.